freezing air, the wind cuts like knife. A young, inexperienced golden eagle has difficulty finding somewhere to land in the featureless expanse. A crash landing in the soft snow might appear harmless, but can prove fatal for the eagle. The fresh snow is damp, and the air is freezing. More snow collects in the eagle's feathers with each failed attempt to land. The first lumps of ice have begun to form on the exhausted bird. It would probably not survive a night on the cold, icy ground. Golden eagles can usually withstand temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius, thanks to their layers of downy feathers. Unfortunately, the ice in its outer feathers and the harsh weather conditions prove extremely challenging for the young bird.